Good day, everybody. Suzette here from Keller Williams Advance. Normally, a sole mandate takes about 3 months, or you'll sign a sole mandate for 3 months. Let's say your property did not sell in those 3 months, or there's no offers on the table in those 3 months. So, working together with your property professional, like me, I can assist you, and let's have a look at what to do when a mandate expires. There could be 3 reasons. Once, looking at point number 1, which is, I think, most obvious, is that your property is overpriced. Yes, leave a bit for negotiation purposes. Point 2, inadequate marketing. Well, that is for your agent and yourself to decide how and when you would like to market your property. But leaving it up to a property professional, I will guide you exactly what we will do when it comes to marketing your property. The third point is poor condition or poor presentation. Buyers buy with their eyes. It's like when you look at a menu and you see a picture of a very nice dessert. You want that dessert because you love the colors, you love the layout, you like the way it looks. It's the same with property. Do you want to know the cure? Phone me. Let me take it through you. List with me, and your property will be sold within 3 months. Would you like a little bit more information about this particular topic? Leave a comment below, visit my website, or call me. And remember, your home is my priority.